Hey, welcome to another episode of the Justine Review. My name is Justine and I do reviews of products, services and experiences with a little bit of vlogging and lifestyle sprinkled in. Today I'm embarking on an exciting journey from Jamaica to Panama with a quick stopover in Miami. It's going to be an incredible adventure and I can't wait to share it with all of you. The views at my hotel in Panama are just incredible, so make sure you stay to see that. The website also said it was 5-star, so I'm looking forward to sharing the room tour. So let's go! Right now, I'm at the Miami International Airport during my transit. We had to wait such a long time for our bags when we got there, and I was anxious that I would not have enough time to get to the mall and back to the airport. I was going to get a birthday gift for my brother. We both have a birthday coming up. Fun fact, his birthday is one day before mine, even though I'm the older one. In my last vlog, I explored Antigua, and if you haven't seen it, be sure to check it out after this one. But for now, let's see what Miami has to offer during this layover. Thank you. Don't buy too much. All right, take care. Bye. My first order of business was to check the directory for the Clark store where I would pick up my brother's present. Then I went to the food court to pick up some food. I got some tacos from this place called Guacamole and it was really good. Only beans, the black beans and the pinto, yeah. And this one. Yes, tomatoes, some lettuce and spinach. I was saying sweet pepper and guacamole. After eating, I ventured out now to do my shopping. I saw these Yeezy knockoffs and I was tempted to get them, but I did not. And now I'm just going to find my way to the Clark store because that is my main mission for coming to the mall this time around. After getting the Clarks, I went into Macy's and browsed around and did a little bit of shopping for myself. Then I just browsed around in the mall. He's so big. Oh my gosh, you're so adorable. Hi. Hello. How are you? How are you? Hi. Hi. You're so cute. Then, of course, I had to get me some Starbies. Thank you. And now we head back to the airport.
fall from the compartment above your seat, pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place it over your nose and mouth, adjust it around your head, and breathe normally.
After a smooth flight, I've landed safely in Panama City. I got here during the night time though, so I won't be able to show you much, but I will be sharing that in part 2 of this vlog, so be sure to check that out. Let's do a quick room tour. We'll start with the closet. We're looking at it together for the first time. So it comes with a robe and an ironing board and hammers, of course. This room is not super bright, and I arrived in the night, so you know it's going to be somewhat dark. The safe is also in the closet. There is an iron, slippers for the room, and then to the right is the bathroom. Cute little wash sink. There's a makeup mirror and the soap. I think this is body lotion. This is the soap. Glasses, of course. Then there's cotton buds, cotton pads, and a sanitary bag, washcloths, and then we have towels here, a regular standing shower with the amenities here. There is, oh, this is by Rado Products. Hello, this is by Rado Products, guys, and they have the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo from by Rado. So there's a mini bar here. So these items are for sale, and they do give you complimentary water, coffee, and tea, and you can put your ice in here. And then the mini fridge does also have some items in it. Here's your Perrier, your alcohol, your sodas, and beer. These are for sale. So this hotel is not all inclusive. And then there's a king-sized bed, your standard dresser, TV, desk for work, of course, a little sofa, and it's night time, but maybe you'll be able to, nah, you won't be able to see much now, but I promise you I'll show you guys what it looks like in the morning. Oh my goodness, look at, wow, this is amazing. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's so gorgeous. Gorgeous. I am, wow. This is spectacular. Spectacular. Oh my gosh, I want to look at this every day. This is just fire. Fire. Guys, I didn't even see that the pool is right there. Look at the pool. I don't know if I can show it to you well from this angle, but there is the pool from right here. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Wow. Just wow. I'm totally in awe of this view. Here's a better view of the pool, guys. This hotel is fantastic. If only I wasn't here for a work meeting. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and follow me on social media. It's at Jacine D on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my recent travel vlog to Antigua for more amazing adventures. Also, remember to look out for part 2 of this video. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Cheers. Bye.